Hello, I'm Brian LaBelle at AWWA ACE 2022 in San Antonio, Texas. I'm here with Pavan Bang. He's an EPC, owner of an EPC company in India. Pavan, welcome to San Antonio.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the United States.
Thank you.
Welcome to the GF Piping Systems
Thank you
booth.
so much. Thank you so much. I've been such a big fan of GF products, so I was super excited. This is the first stall I've stopped.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and about your company, and what is it that you do, and what is your focus in India?
We are a EPC company, engineering, procurement and construction company. The main vision of our company is to transport water from point A to point B.
Yes.
Any kind of water, be it drinking water, industrial water, irrigation water, grey water. The water has to be moved from point A to point B.
Water transportation.
Water transportation company. So we design, supply, install all kinds of piping systems, right from MS, DI, HDP, PVC.
And the markets that you serve are utility, water distribution,
yes,
industrial,
yes,
commercial, irrigation, agriculture,
absolutely,
all of the above.
Absolutely. Anyway, so in fact, the name of our company is a combination of two Sanskrit letters, Chira and Harit. CHIRAHARIT. So Chira stands for always. Harit stands for green, so it is always green. So you get greenness wherever water reaches.
Where water goes, there's life.
Life.
What a great vision for a company, and an important one. Not just in India, in a developing nation, but everywhere. So you've been doing this for many years already now. What you've mentioned having had some experience with George Fisher with GF Piping Systems in India. Tell us a little bit about that.
We do a lot of projects where HDP pipe is used. And while butt welding has been one of the common jointing techniques.
Polyethylene, for instance, like this joint.
Yeah, this joint. But of late in India, electrofusion fittings have taken up as a big market, because in public utility water projects, Government of India in their tendering requirements has made electrofusion as one of the mandatory requirements because of the range of products available and the ease of usage and also the robustness of the product. So because of that, we have been using electrofusion fittings for last 5 years. But of course, we are wherever we have GF, our first choice of product is GF.
Oh, we appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So we started the conversation talking about HDPE, but there are, as you can see here in this booth, there are many other capabilities within GF Piping Systems.
Absolutely.
Pipe and fittings, obviously the machines to join them together. Whether it's butt fusion or electrofusion. Manual valves, actuated valves, sensors, instrumentation, a wide variety of things. Can we take a walk and show you some of the other things in the booth?
Absolutely.
So Pavan, I wanted to show you another one of our products. This is called the LOX fitting.
Okay.
It's made of ductile iron. This is our market introduction. This product is just being launched. It was just invented, just developed, and we're bringing it to market now. This is a ductile iron fitting that is a stab type fitting. It's designed for PVC, like a C900 up through C909, PVC or HDPE. And it is a integrated restraint. So there's a gasket inside that makes the seal. So leak-free seal, and then it also has gripper rings. So when you push the pipe in, there's a positive stop, push the pipe in, it creates a seal, and it holds onto the pipe, creates an integrated restraint. No external bolts, size range 4-inch through 12-inch. But the real value of this product is in the time that it saves on installation. And I know you mentioned that in India, in particular, I mean, price is important everywhere, but the import duties, you were explaining this, the import duties, the taxes on products coming into India make products like this quite expensive. But so, there is no local equivalent to this one.
I totally understand. So there is a need to bring newer products that will reduce the cost of installation. So installation is becoming more and more expensive. Of course, India is still cheaper in terms of manpower availability, but the availability of skilled manpower is a big issue. So in a butt welding, again, still there is a skill of operator that is there. So what electrofusion does is the skill of operator goes out of the system.
That's right.
So I see that this particular product is also adding to that of reducing the skill needed and making sure that the joint is 100% right.
That's a very good point.
Yes. And of course, India is still a nascent market, but India as a market is growing at a phenomenal pace. Government of India has been taking up extremely large drinking water supply projects, extremely large irrigation water supply projects, where last mile connectivity is becoming more and more important.
Got it.
So I see there's a very, very large potential for industry leaders like GF to come and establish their standards.
Right.
It's a very, very nascent market yet.
The global strategy for GF is to, as much as possible, manufacture the products close to the markets where they're needed, where they're used.
Yes.
Right, the markets that we serve, we want and need that local manufacturing. Not just for the import duties and for pricing considerations, but obviously very, very important there. But to develop those close connections with the customers for the purposes of continuing innovation and advancement, because what inspires us are your needs and the needs of your markets. The better we get to know one another, the more you can help us understand those needs, the better the products are that will come out to meet those needs.
So that is where industry leaders like GF have to make sure that the benchmarks are set appropriately.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I'm very pleased to have made your acquaintance, and again, thank you for stopping
Absolutely, my pleasure.
to talk with us.
My pleasure.
Very much a pleasure.
Yes, thank you.